Hello everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Fiji? Let's explore. Construction work is a steady source of employment in Fiji, especially in tourism and infrastructure areas. The average annual gross salary is around $8,600, which comes down to about $700 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is about $7,300 or around $600 per month. Wages can vary depending on where you work. In cities like Suva, pay is usually higher than in rural areas. Beginners in the field might earn about $5,000 per year, while experienced workers can make up to $12,000. Formal training or certifications can also lead to better pay. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.